I use Eli in one of two ways. So class time at the university is really valuable. So we have fewer minutes with students at the university than teachers in secondary schools have with their students. And so the decision about what I do in any given class period is a really significant decision for me because of the opportunity cost of those minutes. So if I do something in class, that means I'm not doing other things in class. And so I have to really choose what we spend class time on with care. And I communicate that to students. So I say, look, if we're going to meet together, then what we're going to do has to be very valuable to your learning. And so be here, work hard at it, because I'm making a conscious choice to spend our time in class on this activity and not that activity. One of the things that I now do because I have Eli is I do more review in class with students as opposed to assigning a peer review activity as homework to be done over a couple of days. So, and the reason that I'll spend class time on review activity with Eli is because I can intervene in the review process as a teacher, because I can see reviews coming in, I can see the analytics. I have the ability as a writing teacher to intervene at really key moments in a writing process when students are making decisions about what advice to give to other students. And if they're giving good advice, I want to reinforce that. If they're giving advice which I think is less effective, I need to intervene in that. I also have the ability to intervene at a moment when students are developing revision strategies, because they're doing that in class time as well. So I can really shape a revision as a teacher with Eli in class because I have that platform available to me. So that's how I use it, and it's been a difference in my teaching. I will also ask students to use Eli as homework. So I'll give them a couple of days to do very sophisticated reviews, where I want them to take a little bit more time in their reading and a little bit more time in their responses. So I use them in both ways. And students respond very well to both review activities. They like doing it in class because it's efficient for them as well. And they like having a little bit more time sometimes to read longer texts more carefully and to put more thought and time into the kinds of responses that they're going to give. So depending on what students want and need and the type of review activity we're doing, I'll use it in class and I'll use it as homework.